got it all. The camera checked out on me because I didn't have it plugged in. It is red.
No, it's not red.
No, not red? Okay.
Ruby.
Okay, take 3. Maybe take 4. Okay, it's October 1st. It's, oh, I got 71 degrees now. I warmed up. And we're going on a little foliage ride. And we're going through our town. We're at a traffic light. Oh, we got 2 traffic lights in the town.
We have to get them both.
Of course. Anyways, this is our little town, and we're going to hit a little foliage. Check out where's the best spots for when it comes peak season. So stay tuned. Keep watching. A little bit of foliage. We're on, I can't even read the name of it, Foxyville Road. Check this place out. Supposedly this road will overlook the town. Let's see what we can see. Oh, I played with the camera settings and see if this does any better.
Shot right there.
There's a, oh beautiful, oh I missed it. I was too busy paying attention to what I'm supposed to be doing, driving. As I was saying, I played with the camera settings and see if this is any better than the previous video. Let me know. I don't know if we can see down the hill. Too bad they didn't have an overlook here. That would be beautiful. Check this out. The soybeans. Looks pretty cool. We got a little foliage, but it looks neat. I like it when the trees over the road. It makes it look like a tunnel.
Yeah.
A tunnel of love.
Yeah. A nice tow ride we had one of those roads.
Oh yes.
I think it was Iron Bog Road or something like that. That was a cool road.
We still think of you, Toe.
Absolutely.
All the time. Toe was our riding partner when we were back in Massachusetts. Oh, that's pretty on the...
Yep.
Oh, big bump.
He was our man of maps. He didn't need a map,
we needed a toe.
Great guy.
Very nice. But we're going the wrong direction. We got some nice views going behind us. But these are also very pretty. You come around the corner, you know, to see it's a wall of color, greens and oranges and yellows, and a few reds poked in there. Here you got corn and some nice color on the trees behind the cornfield. We don't know where we are.
Belt nap, that's about it.
Time for a nap, you said?
Yeah.
Whee! Nice, very nice. It's a lot better in person than it is on the videos. But keep watching. Nice. Ooh. A pretty tree. Pretty tree. We had a beautiful day, baby. This looks interesting. Well, through the camera lens anyways over here. With the sun coming through on the bright trees. We don't know. We're on Ridge Road or something. We don't know where we are. We got an idea. But woohoo! A squiggly road.
I think we have been on this road.
Yeah, I think we have. It probably leads us to a dirt road. Beautiful up here. Oh, a nice paved road. Look at that. I knew we were coming.
Yeah.
That looks nice. Alrighty. We've been to these falls. I guess they're another buttermilk falls. One of the first ones we came to when we came to PA, and there's a lot of trout fishing. I think we got some good videos of that. I'll see if I can post a link to that video, but not guaranteeing anything. It is a beautiful road. We like the scenery and the leaves falling down. La 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 la. I'm losing my marbles.
Spare them. Yeah.
Well, we turned around. We're coming the other way on that road. We were just of the previous video. We're heading the opposite direction. Because those brought us a big loop, and we don't want to go through Canyon again. So we'll go back through. It's a nice road. Yeah, I think where they were fishing, there's a dirt road, and we don't want to do that.
Blue's clean.
Yep. Alrighty. Whee! Nice. This is what we ride for.
Yep.
Our therapy. If it's not wind therapy, it's wind and leave therapy.
Country roads.
Take me home.
No, no, no.
You don't like my singing.
I love you singing, kid. They might not.
As long as it's so low that no one hears me, right? Yeah, we took a wrong turn. We seen this cool road, so we tried it. But this is a beautiful view of the Allegheny River. This is the village of Templeton. But this is a whee!
Even downshifts on its own.
It was a neat road, but I guess it goes through. I don't know. Yeah, we're just up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. And we've been to that tower many times with Smokestack. That's in a couple of our other videos.
Yep.
You check back. It's just beautiful. It's a nice road. Mahoning Road. Oh, they fixed the tracks a little bit. It's a curvy road. If I'm not mistaken, this has like a hairpin turn on it.
Lots of S's.
Yeah. Oh. That was a cool. Lot of wigglies.
Yeah.
We're still going, yeah. Still on the same road. I seen foliage, so I turned the camera back on. And through the leaf tunnel. This is nice. Beautiful. I had to slow down, that was pretty over there. Feel of red. I don't know if I can see it. Over that way. Feel of red. We'll be coming around the corner when we come. I'm sorry of all the video clips of foliage.
Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. Another one. Look at that. Tell me you don't like that view. Oh, yes. The pond and the colorful trees. This is like being in heaven.
Just about.
Soybean. This is all soybean. Soybean fields. Cornfield now. A windy road. nice.
You gotta point your camera down a little bit, honey, so I can see.
That'll be a sunset.
Yeah.
That's west. Well, that'd be a good sunset. We'll have to come over here and park up here.
That'd be cool.
Whee! Oh, winding road next. Quarter mile. Home, sweet home. Now, has the colors changed since yesterday?
Probably. Our big elm tree seems to get a little bit more yellower.
You tell us if it's changed. There's the tree. Has it changed since yesterday?
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today.